This time check is brought to you by Nor Sinigang. Ang simpleng pampakilig, Nor Sinigang. This time check is brought to you by San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Sarap laging kasama. This time check is brought to you by Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. Meaty busog sarap ang breakfast and baon pag may Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread.
Adto na ta sa Australia. World Connect is inviting you to a free orientation on Saturday, March 29, 2 p.m. at Seda Hotel with special guests from Australia. Open to all K-12 graduates, bachelor's degree holders, and undergraduates. Study and settle in Australia. Bring your spouse and kids. Register now. Limited slots only. Visit World Connect Cebu, 4th floor, Amslai Building, Salinas Drive, Lahug, Cebu City. Text or call 0945-821-5802. 0945-821-5802. World Connect, celebrating 18 years of service to the Filipino.
We'll get you there. World Connect.
Mga katupad, si Kuya Bayani at Bayani po ito ng Tupad Party List. Number 148 sa balota. Handang tumulong sa ating lahat. Ayuda at trabaho, aming hatid sa inyo. Aalalay sa pagunlad ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino.
Bibigyan ka ng ayuda ng tupad.
148!
Bibigyan ka ng trabaho ng tupad.
Party list!
Bibigyan ka ng trabaho. Bibigyan ka ng ayuda. Bibigyan ka ng trabaho ng tupad.
148! Tupad Party List. Number 148 sa balota.
This political advertisement is paid by Tupad Party List.
Generosity o bukas palad, tatak Pilipino. Sa krisis nagkakaisa, hindi nag-aatubiling tumulong sa kapwa, pagbibigay ng pagkain at pagsasama sa oras ng paghihirap. Magkaroon kayo ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa nang walang pagkukunwari. Roma 12 Siyam. Generosity o bukas palad, ikaw ay Extraordinary Pinoy. Brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
MX3, tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That portion was brought to you by Tanduay Rum 5 years. Tibay ng loob, tibay Tanduay.
This time check is brought to you by Generica Drugstore. Tayong mga ina, may suporta sa ginhawa. Generica Drugstore.